Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute snappy bag for your mask. So I don't know about you, but I was just like throwing it into my purse, and then I get to the grocery store and I'm like digging through my purse and I pull it out and put it up to my face, and then I realized that's not very sanitary. So I decided to make this. The reason why it's made with the clear vinyl is so that you can just take your Clorox wipe and wipe it out and put a clean, fresh mask in there every day. So let me actually get you a closer look. So see how cute this is? It's got a little tab, it's got a snappy. What makes this snappiness is actually measuring tape. And so what you can do is actually go to All a Dollar and buy their measuring tape and take it apart. Okay, and so then you measure out this, it's 4.25. So when you cut them, I already measured it out. I got my little Sharpie right there. So you cut it like that, but then you're gonna wanna round the edges. Let me just try to secure this so nothing crazy happens around here. Okay, maybe that's too late. Okay, let's see, I'll just put it over here. Okay, and then you're going to want to round the edges. I have one of these, they're like pinking shears, and you just do that and it curves the edge so it's not so sharp. If you leave it sharp, it's just gonna pierce through your fabric. So round the edges like that on both of them. And this is such a fast project. I gave these away as gifts for a lot of people because after masks is no longer a thing, you then have like a little snack bag. So first, what you're going to need is vinyl, and this is going to be 11 inches by 4.75. Okay. Here is your vinyl. Keep the tissue paper. This is for the little handle. These are for the casing, your fray check, your special presser foot. Cut these 4 1/4 inches in length, and this is for your tab. Okay, we're going to make the casing for our measuring tape by folding it in half to get the middle, and then we're going to fold it again into the middle. We're hiding the raw edges. Fold that one in half and then in half again and iron that, and then repeat it on the other one. This is your handle, and we're going to do the same concept where we just fold it in half to get the middle and then fold in the raw edges and fold it again and iron. So this one's going to be really tiny. Now take your 3x3 fabric square and you're going to iron the wrong sides together. We're making the tab now. And then fold it again so you get a triangle. And again, we are just getting rid of the raw edge. Now pick up one of your casings and we are going to sew this inside. Just eyeball the center, pin it, and we'll take it over to the sewing machine and sew it in place. Sew a straight stitch to keep the tab in place. Cut off the loose ends. Now we are going to sew it to our vinyl. Put your tissue paper underneath and sew as close as you can to the edge of the casing. tear the tissue paper off. And now you see that the tab's in place, and we are going to add the other side of the casing. So just repeat what we did. Now sew the handle loop with a straight stitch. Now we're going to sew the handle in between the two casings, and your tag is going to be on the inside as well. We will sew all the way down this edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. If you have a sewing foot like this, go ahead and change that now, but it is not necessary. Don't forget to put the tissue paper underneath, and we're going to sew it at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And don't forget to backstitch. Now rip off the tissue paper, and your little handle should be secure in there, and the tab is on the inside. And now we're going to install the measuring tape, and the numbers are going to be facing you. Manually bring the needle down to make sure you don't hit the measuring tape because you don't want to break your needle. Remember to backstitch and add your tissue paper. And backstitch at the end. And remove all the tissue paper. Okay, so we've got both ends sewed. We haven't turned it inside out yet. Now you can just take your pinking shears and cut the edges like that if you'd like. Just cut off all the loose ends. And this is where the fray check comes in. I don't know if you've ever used this before, but it helps for your fabrics not to fray. So you can go ahead and put this on the edges if you'd like. So you just put them on the edges like that, and then they shouldn't fray. That's what I did on these ones that were already done. So you can see the inside, and it doesn't fray one bit. So it just keeps it looking nice and clean. Now we can go ahead and turn this inside out. Okay, so there, you've got that out, and here is your snappy bag. Look, you've got your cute tab, got the little handle, and you can stick your mask in it. Look at how cute. Okay, so this one doesn't have the handle tab like this one, so you can make it without, or I mean, I like it with it, so that's pretty cute. And then you just stick your mask inside, and I love these snappy bags. I've made a ton of them. Like, I even put them on my pegboard. Look, this one has my pens in them, and you can add fabric to the back. This one I did all vinyl so that you can wash it, you can wipe it out. I like it. So leave me a comment below if you like it. And if you decide to make it yourself, you can, if you have an Instagram account, you can find me at simplydelilah1, or you can just do hashtag simplydelilah and show me that you made this. I would love to see it. And then my next tutorial, I am going to show you how to make this mask. I love the fit of it, and it actually covers my double chin. I'll show you how to make it with these hair ties. So please subscribe if you enjoyed my video and you want to see more. I am going to be posting more, like we're going to do baby bib, we're gonna do a hot pad. I'm gonna show you how to do binding. So please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.